In this video, we're going to look at how you can reverse a payment or an adjustment from an applied line. The easiest place to go and reverse a payment adjustment is from the Charge Master or Edit Charges screen. Navigate to Charges on the main menu and click on Edit Charges. I've already got a charge open here, so I'm just going to open up that charge, and on the Edit Charges screen, as you can see here, there are two lines on this claim, and both of them have payments applied. The first line has Guardian insurance payment applied of $50, and so has this second line, so that's got a $35 insurance payment applied. And also see the status here is closed. If you want to reverse a payment or an adjustment that was applied to a line, you can click on the reverse option, the tilted green arrow to the right, and it opens up the posting activity window. Once it opens up the posting activity window, you can see all the payment posting activity that has occurred on that line. The activities are displayed in chronological order, with the oldest activity being at the bottom and the latest being at the top. You can see there are two activities. The first activity was that there was a $50 adjustment that was made to the line, which left a balance of $150. The recent activity is a payment of $50, and that left a balance of 0, and the status is currently closed, which is W or close. Now, to reverse the payment or the adjustment on the line, whichever line has the activity, just enter the amount into the reverse paid or the reversed adjustment field. Now, since the second activity or the oldest activity here is the adjustment, I'm going to enter the adjustment amount to reverse. On this line, I've got a $50 adjustment. I want to reverse that adjustment. I enter the $50 into the reverse adjustment field. And what you do next, now what do you want the next status after the reversal is done to be? That's what you'd want to select from this dropdown. So if you want to leave the balance with bill to patient or the rebill status or bill to secondary or the primary insurance status, whichever status you want to leave it as, that's the status you can select from this list. Now, once you've selected the status, you can hit the reverse button. When you hit the reverse button, that amount will be reversed back into the line, and the adjustment amount will be reversed. And you'd see that on the charge. So I'll hit the reverse button here, and you can see that reverse. Now that adjustment is back, or the adjustment has been reversed. And you can see there's now that total balance of $50 that's been reversed. And since I chose the status as claim sent to PR, it left the status after the reversal as status claim sent to PR. Now there's also an insurance payment activity on the line. If I want to reverse the insurance payment, I'll click on the reverse option, bring up the posting activity, and now you can see there's a new activity that's been added, which is that reversal activity that we just did. So the second one now is that insurance payment activity. And let's say we wanted to reverse this $50 insurance payment. I can just enter it into the reverse field, the $50, and whatever status you want to leave after the reversal is done. You can select that status from the list. Now hit the reverse, and that would reverse that amount back into the line. Also, this payment was applied from this payment number, which is 1-12086. So if we go back to that, or if you go look at that payment, I'm going to just search the payment screen, search this payment, and you can see that if I search the payment, you'd see that the $50 that was applied, that $50 would have now been reversed back into that payment. So if I click on the applied here, you can see that shows the activities. And you'd see that on this activity, there's a tick back of $50 that was reversed from that line. So this is how you can reverse payments or adjustments from the line. Open the Edit Charges and click on the reverse button. And when it opens up this screen, you can enter the amount that you want to reverse, whether it's a payment or adjustment. Whichever line has the activity, just enter the amount next to that, choose a status, and then hit the reverse button to have that line or to have that amount reversed from the line.